Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Down here at the garage again today. A few days off work with this whole coronavirus dealio. So I'm just down here at the garage with a new bonnet. And I'll flip the camera around and show you what I'm going to do tonight. Now as you can see, a bit of surface rust all along the front. And then around at the vents, surface rust as well. It's just very crusty. But it's not rotten or anything like that. All crispy clean around the edges. Same there as well. And the same there as well. But it's fairly clean around the edges. There's a tiny little hole there, but that's nothing to worry about. This is all surface. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to apply some of the paint stripper. Again, some of this around the vent parts. Leave that bubble away for a while. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sand the breast of the bonnet. All these bits and pieces off. I'm going to just sand it with maybe 400 grit. Don't want to go too bad on it because the paint is actually decent on the bonnet. If you look, it's smooth, but rough there. It's have overspray on it over the last few years, I'd say, just sitting up. So I'm going to crack on with sanding this, get the paint stripper on the vents all the way around, leave that set for a while, let it bubble off, and then scrape it off, and then sand the whole bonnet. So enjoy, guys. Now guys, just halfway through this bonnet here, just give you a comparison. Gotten it down a good bit. Also the heavy rust off that. That paint stripper is great. If you need to strip something off it, like the difference between them two. This one's done, and that one's not sanded yet. You can see all the heavy rust on it. So I'm gonna crack on with this. Get the whole bonnet sanded down. Gonna get it all done the edges, all the way around. Get it down sanded. We use 80 grit. It's so tough. But I'm gonna use 240 and then maybe a 600 grit, get it smooth, and then prime it. I'm gonna do the underneath of the body as well. That's gonna get maybe like a Schultz on it, a black Schultz. Like the engine bay, I've done the Schultz and then painted over. As you can see on the front panel, it's real bumpy. That's like a Schultz, it doesn't rust. It's great. So I'm gonna crack on with this bonnet. So another time lapse. Now guys, the top side of the bonnet is done. So on this side, there's not really much left to do. It still has the sound deadening and the bonnet strengthening. That's this kind of layer here. It goes hard once you put it on. So I might just sand this down a little bit and just spray it black and then seal it. That's pretty much it. Like it's an old brown bonnet. You can see it there. It's not too bad. Like around the edges isn't awful, you know, and it's still stuck together with the double layer. That's what the problem with my old bonnet over here was. You can see that was splitting apart, and it makes the middle, so you can see it there, it won't stay out. You can see it here all rusting away, just in a bad state. So all I really need from this bonnet is the bar. Oh, it's really bad there. You see this splitting away, and there's nothing you can do. And then I just need the spring and the catch from this bonnet, and I'll transfer it over to this bonnet here. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Casualty number 1, paint stripper through the vent. I'll have to redo my valve cover, but I might do it a different colour because the car is going a different colour, so I don't think the red will suit. Maybe we'll do a black wrinkle, should be nice. We're going to do the inlet black as well. I might get a different colour fuel. I might take all the bits off, send them off and get them blasted and powder coated a different colour. All this, any metal that's under the engine, that's under the bonnet, I want to get in a different colour because I want it to stand out. I want it to be bright and I want it to be clean. So the blue leads will be going. I'm going to get black ones, but good ones as well. Maybe the same make. They're NGKs. I might get the same make but in a different colour. And plug cover is real carbon. That's gone. I was only put on that just to have one on it. I'm going to get all new wires for the earths. I'm going to completely re-earth the car. Maybe with different colour wire. That'll suit the car when it's done. Everything in the engine bay is going to get all new nuts, bolts, washers, everything. I'm going to redo the wiring. It's a bit hairy down there. A bit messy. But it just needs to be routed in a different way and covered in it, proper covered. Like it's covered here, from in here all the way out, and then it's uncovered here for the plugs. So I might try and get this covered better and run it up from here. I'll bring it up the firewall in through that hole, bring it up and bring it out through this hole and run it along the top here, just so it's out of the way and tidier. This side is the same, but this side is a lot tighter than that side, and that's just paper on one of the wires that's been left there. But that side is a lot tighter. There's literally just those wires, and then that one wire that's cable tied to the subframe. So what I'm going to buy is I'm going to get a riv nut gun, and most of everything on the car, the arches will have riv nuts, so then the arches will bolt on properly and you won't see them. Everything in the engine bay that I need to tie to the engine bay will be riv nutted on properly this time, so no messing about. So I'm going to order one of them during the week or next week. There's no rush in it yet because the car won't be ready in the next few weeks because work and the virus and stuff that's going on. So yeah guys, I'm going to wrap up the video here now. I'm only down here a few hours. I really just wanted to get down, put the bonnet on the car, see what it looked like. I like the look of it. It's pretty cool. It'll go with the flow of the car, with what I want to do with it. Not showy type. I just wanted a nice stance, nice aggressive look, clean. So I just wanted to get the bonnet down, get it on the car, fix all the bits and pieces on it that I needed to get done. And that's all I'm going to do for the night. So I'll catch you next time, guys. So guys, I appreciate if you watch the video, hanging around till the end. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Like the videos, share them with your friends. I appreciate it greatly. I really do. So guys, thanks for watching once again. Peace out.